I graduated the clinical mental health counseling program in end of 2024, and so right now I'm working as a full-time therapist with behavioral health care consultants.
My name is Mia, and I started the clinical mental health counseling program beginning of 2023 and finished it end of 2024.
So my name is Robert Hennessy. I'm a licensed associate counselor in the state of New Jersey.
I chose to pursue the clinical mental health counseling program here at LVC because I really always felt connected with people and really knew that I wanted to help people. When I was a student in the program, I did feel really connected to the community at large.
So some of the opportunities that I was able to take advantage of included not just some of the extra classes. There are classes like creative arts and counseling and really, really cool approaches to counseling that we get experience with. But there are also opportunities to present at conferences and to work with the professors in one-on-one or small group settings in order to really deepen the understanding that I had of what we were learning in the courses.
Looked online, LVC had an incredible program where you didn't have to sign up so many months in advance. What I really like about the program is the way the faculty interacts with us.
I was in talks with my supervisor from the program, who was also a professor, and we would always talk about really anything in terms of this job transition. If I could go back to 2020 when I was choosing colleges, I would absolutely choose Lebanon Valley College again, and I would for sure choose the clinical mental health counseling program.
There were so many different opportunities that we had access to, and the small class sizes felt very instrumental to the ability to develop the skills that I'm using now in my day-to-day life and in my work.
I think about the clinical mental health program here is that you're getting an opportunity to know mental health counseling and how it works in the real world. You get to work with people and understand what their barriers are to self-improvement, what their barriers are to becoming their best self. And I think the more we can get to that point as a culture, I think the better off we can be. So I really enjoyed the program, and I would do it again in a heartbeat.